Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about sets in Python. A set is an unordered collection of unique values. Sets may contain only immutable objects like strings, ints, floats, and tuples that contain only immutable elements. Sets are iterable, they are not sequence and do not support indexing and slicing with the square brackets. So let's see how to create a set with curly braces. We are going to rename our set names, and we will have a string as set values. So this will be Tom, Peter, Mike, and Tom again. Oh, not here inside the set. We can print our set by using a print function and passing names. And here we can note that the duplicate string Tom was ignored. An important use of set is duplicate elimination, which is automatic when creating a set. Also, the resulting set value are not displayed in the same order as they were listed over here. Here it's showing Mike first, then Peter, and then Tom. Sets are unordered. We can also determine the number of items in a set with a built-in len function, len. So we are going to print the length of our set by using len function and passing our set names. And here is the length of our set. We can also check whether a value is in a set. We can check whether a set contains a particular value using in and not operators. We can type in our name here, Tom, and use the in operator to check in our names. And we can print the returning value. Print. And it gives us a true value because the Tom is in our list, our set. Let us check for name, which is not in our set. So I will try John. And this should return a false. And we get the false. And now we are going to use not in operator. And here I'm just gonna copy. The John is not in our set, so this should return a true. And I will add not in John, not in our set names, and that return true. We can also iterate through a set. Sets are iterable, so we can proceed each element with a for loop. So let's try that. For name in names space over here. We are going to print each name and convert into uppercase by using upper method, and separate each name with a space, and just run our script. And here are our names in uppercase. We can also create a set with the built-in set function. We can create a set from another collection of values by using the built-in set function. Let's create a list that contains several duplicate integer values and use the list as a sets argument. So we will have our list first. Num list. We are going to use the list, and we are going to use range function and pass in 20. And then we are going to add another list to it. List range pass in 10. This list will have some duplicate values that will be removed by using set. So we are going to create our set num list. We are passing our list to set function, and also going to print and here is our set, and the duplicate values are removed. We can also create an empty set. We can use the set function with the empty parentheses. We can create empty set like this. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.